As the Samsung Galaxy S24 series approaches, the intensity of leaks grows. The latest piece of information we got comes straight from the factory. An image shows the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera module, which consists of 4 cameras in total. As per previous information, the camera combo is a 200 megapixel main unit joined by 2 telephotos, 10MP plus 15 megapixel, and an ultra wide shooter as well. Leaks so far suggest that the handset will be capable of 2x, 3x, 5x, and 10x lossless zoom. Unfortunately, the image reveals only a short description of the hardware along with part numbers in addition to what we already know. The hardware itself is not the only impressive bit. A report from a few days ago highlights the phone's AI capabilities, which should boost the S24 Ultra's camera capabilities significantly, especially in low light situations. All in all, Samsung's top tier smartphone for 2024 shapes up to be a huge photography powerhouse and maybe most significant upgrade in this regard for a while now. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.